and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carole and you're watching Journal Eclectic. I am still doing the hashtag Junk Journal January UK, hosted by Sandra from Bee Happy Stationery and Lindsey from the Vintage Button. And the main featured kit, Winter Woodland, has been made as a collaboration between Crafting Dragon Design and Bee Happy Stationery. You can follow everybody that's been doing videos in the playlist that will be in the description below, along with all the links for the coffee shop, the Instagram, and the Etsy shop for the designers. Sandra from Bee Happy has a 50% discount on the coffee shop, and Crafting Dragon Design has a 40% discount on her Etsy shop. Now, those aren't my days, but well, I'm not exactly feeling very creative, so I simply did the day and something kind of rough, just because I wanted to do something for the page. So it's kind of like a placeholders for now. And yeah, so this is the silver backing, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do something else. I'm just not inspired by this. I did see, I think it's Bee Crafty Claire, that's made a border with foil. So it's like she glued foil. You see, even my words on there, but I'm going to go through this video because I want to make this accountability for myself. So print, I had a great idea for print and I forgot it because I didn't write it down. So this is what it is. It's going to be placeholder for the print day 2. Folded, I did take this paper and make it a fold. So it's folded like this, and you can open it the other way also, but it's this way and this way. So it's a folded paper. Will there be more? I don't know. 4 tabs. 4 tabs. I made these tabs that I glued down with the double-sided paper that can be supposedly repositionable. Yes, so this. And I just made them here. So I've got 1, 2. This is a paper clip. 1. And this is also a side page tab, so you just slide it here. And of course there's the little tab that can be used this way. Then we have envelope. Envelope I fall in here. So we have the classical the old way of making an envelope. So you used to write everything here, then you fold it like this, and you tucked in like this. You would put a wax seal here and send it to the post. Then there's also this one. So this one is for when you have a rectangular page like this. What you have to do is you have to bring two, let's see, like this. So you have to bring this 2 corners equal, pretty much in the middle, to make a square. Then you fold one, you fold another, and you have your envelope, and you can put maybe another wax seal here. This is something I've learned with Victoria Design in the beginning. So those are 2 great envelopes. Home. Well, home is where all my papers are. And I find this one, which I really like, as it had some of the beige and the blue. Yeah, home is where all my crafting things are. Now 21 is where my day will be, and it is rest. Now I decided to cover with this paper, which is from a Dolorama paper pad, and rest was going to be about something I really need, and it is to rest my eyes from the clutter of my craft room. This is really hard at this point. It's probably why I'm not very creative at this point either. So there's going to be some resting things. I did make these little bookmark because I didn't know what else to do, so I was using my punch to get all the different things. I'm also finding this very hard to do something with rest, not because I don't like the word rest. I did choose it. I just feel really like I need to take a little break. So I'm back with something for rest. I'm feeling kind of back in the theme of the rest, which I kind of realized that with these things, rest might as well be doing some known ephemera parts. So I'm going to use this to make a note matchbook notepad. So I've folded here, and it's going to fold like this, and these parts that are open, not all of them, but this I will put a tag in it. So I'm going to glue inside the top part, and this little part, so it's not going to move. So yes, it fits perfectly. We're going like this, we're going like this. So it's a bit more. Okay. Like this. This is going to fold here. You see, I don't bring it all the way up, just shy of it. Now I have my tab. Okay. So there you go. also I add a little word. Where would that word here? Okay, we'll use that. Okay. So in the back we have the little edge out, and in the front then we open and we have a little notepad. So this will be rest. Do things you know so you won't stress about inventing the wheel again. This way it will stay inside. Woohoo. Saved by something I know for my rest a day. And of course here it will be fun to make quotes, which I don't have. It would be too much too much for my brain right now, but I will come up with something later in the flip. I will be able to show you that. So let's hope I didn't bring you too much down, and that this has inspired you to do the things you already know and make them perfectly fit for the day, for the rest day. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and to check all the links in the description box. Thank you. Bye.